Hello children, I am Ravindra Kumar, your mathematics teacher. Now we will start the e-learning classes, Vardhaman Adarsh Vidya Mandir School, Balotra. Now, here today we will teach the class 4th, subject mathematics. Now, your previous classes we will running the chapter number 6. Now we will continue the chapter number 6. Its name frictions. Now, in the previous classes we will discuss about the type of frictions. Okay, now we will recall the normally example way. Now, topic type of frictions. We have 6 frictions of type. First is proper frictions, second improper frictions, third unit frictions, fourth like frictions, fifth unlike frictions, and sixth mixed friction. Now you all know that you had already read about all the 6 part of type, and your definition have you know already. Now we will discuss on a simple example. Now, what is the proper frictions? Proper friction means these frictions have numerator part is lowest, less than the denominator part. Now discuss example. We will write the 6 by 11. You all see that the 6 is less than the 11. Now numerator part is less than the denominator part. Now other example is, you all see that the 11 is less than the 47. As it is, the 3 of numerator part is less than the denominator part of 7. You all know about proper frictions. Now we will discuss on improper friction. Improper friction is anti of proper friction. Like improper friction have numerator part is greater than denominator part. Numerator part is greater than denominator part. Like this. 13 is greater than 3. Numerator part is greater than denominator part. Like 11 by 7. 11 is greater than 7. And then (47) by 17. 47 is greater than numerator, denominator part 17. Now we will discuss on unit friction. Third is unit friction. Unit friction, all the frictions have numerator as a 1, only 1. If we have numerator is 1, then we will call the unit friction. Like 1 by 7 is unit friction because its numerator is 1. Like 1 by 18 is also unit friction because its numerator is 1 and denominator is any. Not worry. Now 1 by 48 is also called unit friction because if every friction have numerator is 1, that we will call unit friction. Now we will discuss on like friction. Fourth, like friction. All these frictions denominator is same. All these friction denominator is same, then we will call the like friction. Like I have one friction, second friction, and third friction. Now you can see that the 7 by 13, 4 by 13, and 8 by 13. You all remember that the 13, 13, 13. All the three frictions have same denominator. Okay? All the three friction have same denominator. So we can call the like friction. Now, unlike friction, it's opposite of the like friction. Like all the denominator are different. All the denominator are different. Like now you can see 7 by 14, 8 by 11, 3 by 15. All the denominator are different. Now we can call unlike friction. Okay, now the last is mixed friction. Mixed friction is those frictions have combination with whole number and proper friction. Combination with whole number and proper friction, like 3 is whole number and 1 by 4 is proper friction. As it is, 7 is whole number and 3 by 8 is proper friction. When we will describe this way, we will call mixed friction. Okay? Now as it is, that is also called a mixed friction because it is whole part and proper friction. Whole part with combination with proper friction. Whole part combined with proper friction. Now we recall all the type of frictions. And how many types of friction? 6 types. In these 6 types we can continue with the like friction. We continue with the like friction. In your syllabus, we will discuss on like friction. Now, what is the like friction? Like frictions have same denominator. Okay? Like friction have same denominator. Like 3 by 8, 1 by 8, 7 by 8, 4 by 8. All the 4 frictions have same denominator. So we can call the like friction. Now the topic is comparison of like frictions. Comparing like frictions. Now we will discuss on comparing like friction. We have 2 like frictions. Like this, 11 by 15 and 10 by 15. This is also a like friction because 2 frictions have same denominator. Now, comparing sign is less than, greater than and equal. We have 3 comparing sign: less than, greater than and equal. Now what we will do the process to how to find the comparing like friction? We will find that the denominator is same. Denominator is same because it have 15, also it have 15. Now denominator is same, then what is the comparing matter of this denominator? There is no comparing matter because they are same. Now we will compare with the numerator part. We will compare with the numerator part. It have 11, it have 10. That is different. It is same, so we will not compare with. Numerator part is different. We will compare on it. Now 11 is greater than 10. 11 is greater than 10. So we will comparing sign this way because 11 is bigger, 10 is smaller, then bigger way is this friction and smaller way is this friction. Now we can Second example, like this. Now, 347 by 1009, and second friction 473 by 1009. Now we can see that the denominator part is same. It means all those frictions have like frictions. Now, denominator part is same, then we will compare with the numerator part. We will compare with the numerator part. It is 347. Yeah, 347. It is 473. You can see that the 347 and 473. What we will sign on compare? 347 and 473. We can see that the bigger number is 473. Now, numerator is bigger of 473. Then the friction is 473 is also bigger. Now we can compare with this sign. Okay? Now we can say that the numerator part, when we will compare the frictions of like. Now we will discuss on ascending and descending order. We will discuss on ascending and descending order of like friction. Like, first is ascending order and second is descending order. Now, we know that the like friction have same denominator. Okay? Now, and when we compare to the frictions, we will discuss on the numerator part, upper part. Okay? Now we have the example of like frictions. Now, 3 by 11, 8 by 7, 7 by 11. 3 by 11, 8 by 11 and 7 by 11. We have three frictions. You can see that all the frictions have like frictions. 11, 11, 11. Denominator is same. Now, ascending order. Ascending means smaller, then greater, then also greater, then greater. We will start with smaller number. Now you can see that 3 numerator, 8 numerator and 7 is also numerator. We can compare with numerator. 3 is smaller, all the frictions. Now 3 by 11 is first comparing friction in ascending order. Now second is 8 या 7. 7 is smaller than 8. Now 7 by 11. And then the bigger frictions is 8. 8 by 11. Okay? We can compare. We can ascending order to the numerator part because denominator part is same. Numerator 3, 8, 7. 3 is smaller and then 7 and then 8. Now smaller, then bigger, then also bigger. Now second is descending order. We have an example. Now you have three friction. It's also like frictions. 11 by 17, 7 by 17 and 14 by 17. Now, we will compare to the numerator part 11, 7 and 14 because denominator part is same. We will not compare. Now, 11, 7 and 14. You can see that the descending order have bigger number and then smaller number, and then also a smaller number. Now we will start the 11, 7 and 14. We can see that the 14 is more bigger out of these frictions. Now we will start the 14 by 17 is more bigger, all three frictions. Now second is 11, 7. 11 is bigger than 7. 11 by 17. And then the smallest frictions is 7 by 17. Now you can see that the ascending order and descending order, and then this is the ascending order. You can see those ascending order and descending order. Now today's your homework. Its homework belong to the comparing like friction and ascending and descending order. Okay, now homework is page number 97, your new book mathematics, page number 97. Upper part mein you can see the try these box in yellow color. Question number 1, 2, 3 and 4. You can solve itself in your homework.